So you want to build a massive chest at home, train it wrong, and you get a flat chest and shoulder pain. Let's fix that. 3 exercises, 0 equipment. None of them are the push-ups you already know. Stick around. Before we start, know what you are training. Your chest is one muscle, the pectoralis major, but its fibers run in 3 directions: upper chest, mid-chest, lower chest. Train only one, and your chest will always look incomplete. Today, we hit all 3. Exercise 1, pseudo planche push-ups. Not your average push-up. Get into a push-up position. Hands under your hips, not your shoulders. Fingers forward. Now lean your entire body weight forward over your hands. That shift loads your upper chest before you even move. Lower yourself slowly. Stay leaned forward the entire rep. Push back up. The moment your weight drifts back, you just did a regular push-up. Stay forward. Feel this in your upper chest, deep and heavy. Too difficult? Start with partial range. Lower halfway. Build toward the floor over time. 4 sets, 6 to 10 reps. Want more? Lean further forward. More lean, more chest. Exercise 2, archer push-ups. The closest thing to a one-arm push-up most people will ever do. Wide push-up position. Hands much wider than shoulder width. Lower toward one side. Extend the opposite arm straight out, fully straight, like drawing a bow. All the work goes through the bending arm. Push back up, switch sides, repeat. Mistake most people make, they let the extended arm bend. The moment it bends, you lost it. Keep it locked. Feel this deep in the mid-chest on the working side. 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps each side. Your chest will burn in ways standard push-ups never delivered. Exercise 3, Korean dips. Most underrated lower chest exercise in bodyweight training. 2 sturdy chairs, hands behind your body on the edges, fingers forward, arms straight. Now lean your torso as far forward as possible. Lower yourself slowly. Stay leaned forward. The further forward you lean, the more your lower chest fights to push you back up. Mistake everyone makes? Torso comes upright mid-rep. The moment it does, your triceps take over. Lower chest switches off completely. Stay leaned forward. All the way down, all the way up. Feel this along the bottom edge of your chest. Deep stretch at the bottom. 3 to 4 sets, 6 to 10 reps. These 3 exercises will reach parts of your chest standard push-ups have never touched. Here is how to run it. 2 to 3 times per week. Never consecutive days. Pseudo planche push-ups. 4 sets, 6 to 10 reps. Archer push-ups. 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps each side. Korean dips. 3 to 4 sets, 6 to 10 reps, 25 minutes. Get slightly better every session. 1 more rep, more depth, more control. Your chest will have no choice but to grow. Stop doing the same push-ups expecting a different chest. The chest you want is not built by doing more of what already stopped working. It is built by doing what most people never discover. Now you have discovered it. This is Iron Bro, mind over comfort.